now uji bribe no into the police station monko obituaries they be able ho sa na mu because no me kura na di police with the sa na so de ni na so de Abrabo na so hwe na so corruption na nyama eno so sa politician mo so sa man transit wo konkro ye mu papa we na kwade mu na mu taxpayers money mo se bodi betwa num e de aye maasi adwuma na mo de sisi dan kese ma mo nia madofo mu na akoya winner take all na mo te na mo dwom num a mo so no me da mo so o di ase mo so mo no me makpo so mo kai ni atu donkuma we be to pepe into so and na o se bi society as a politician very careful sa na we are lawyer ni na so undi asempa diji amanfo sika ebo eye wagadre won so sa na obekọ obi bie dwuma ye bie nia na be frigem na bible no ka internet na jonkuma ye kai no na ye kai ne hu se ade ba ko pe ni ehia wa Abrabo mu se uti nkwem no edimpa be na uja na se ye bo odin a ye di din na be kai wo ye mfa wo japade en kai wo because ejapade wo pe na dane obi dia intina every property biara uti nkwemu ne wodi aba the moment a obi pe no na that property no enye wodi enti no ye chotu yuta ye mfa wo japade nhyimu wodi ase because japade na be yo success adea nti da pre ni ya be no no obi take over na pe nso no edimpa eye cha ahonya de nti mo se fe de na ahonya de ni nya no abeda ni obi dia mo bia mo ya se musika no munni mo de mo tete hona susu na mo to saa o de say unni bi uwi a osika no ye be dwom wa ka say we ya se kwa wa e wo fere say ye to ka papa ye be dwom edimpa ti no ene mi sponsor belande na oba pa na kukudraba na baba belande pa na say me ni age because ono ode apumudin Nsem na ebrewo ode asempa de be ma wotumi enyi ache na weni age wa Abrabo na ode ebrewo fe nso no so enya sa super oba nso a ode nim Yesu nko na ebrewo nti ansa na me kire wo topic ane me de ba no me ma ba ne yakasa na watuyefo wo ya pemudin bam
let's say
over to you Jonkuma and apumudin Nsem advice with etifo because Jonkuma yadi munin ya muna at the other day no easy nti yen kwade emu ya na apumudin die
na lawyer so wunya wiase nyina na nya apumudin a
taminia forget it when you put in na go dey hwese malaria kitikiti kra bowa
na wo ye fi bibia wo bia
na ye wode no obi kra mo sika kra na bon
na bibia chese wo sika kra da ha won kai
common malaria wo you become weak and the first when na wiase kra fu bibia why basa
nipa nsehwe
nti tuyefo
no kwasam say ye de nchia afri ban herbal hospital and edibre obi bia wotie me adumri na no kwasam say ye kai wo say ban na ye kai wo so wapomuden dan obi a ewo so no na ehwema wo lawyer kan papa ya asem nyina John Kumo ye full lawyer osaye MP osaye minister okuta 3 titles ani nyina achi apomuden ayi mai enti ene wo a wutie mi sabe ene ne yere obi ye no bone a ontumi nka hwe ne ba bi su a onti bi sesi ote wo no ano ho ene na konta okobuo ene de wo de ene de nya nduru ho na enya nduru hwe ye mpese obeduru ho na onkwa na Nyankopon de ama wo no obedi amenti awose wutie apomuden sam yi ya na nipa bebre susu sta atwere adwene kire won se apomuden ne ye mpaebo bi na se sunsun bi na wose di apomuden ne ba enye nokore first one na wose di apomuden ba yaduane ne ye nsu a ye no se wan hwe ne yi a ebetumi di niam bebre nsunsanso bebre de aprew me se ebetumi di nsunsanso bebre de aprew ene nipa bebre hawo ne amane a yenamu nyina ne se chese nipa bebre abamu abu wabrabom na aye won se anidaso bie ni hobium bare ne sa kwanya bana wutie Dr. Ban na se Dr. Ban bre wani daso akyere wo ba bia wo benye wapomden pa na chese Ban Herbal Hospital Accra ye was Spintex Road 18 Junction ena Kumasi so ye watonsu agogo government hospital nachi your number ni 0244 08 3482 0244 08 3482 frɛ your number yi na ade bi akire wadwene bia no yaboa ama wapomden awie pɛyɛ ɛna onyankopɔn adom nti ɛna ye hwɛ nyare wa bie wasase su pa no kwasam se yare a Ghana fo ubodinya na nkrofo dwan no oba ban so ye ya yetenete ene maka che se ene ye de achacha duro aba ba kan ya duro no ho a nyankopon adom oba ya so ye ma obedi bosome ba akopɛ wo ho obe firi ho no na sa achacha nyina ayera obi busam se achacha wa duro ana ma me eye ane we de ye nka se kobra ansa na wakwa aba na wakwa numa duro no wo fie nemo ye ma obetena ho ne ya hwew bosome ba akono efiri ho a na chese ya gya wo kwan na chese wo kɔ ede be mpen wo mpa asempa wi na wo pede ben sa yare na chi obi na abo na chi ebo na chi ebo se na nipa dua ne mu pua wanyini kura na fe wasase ye kete bo se twe sade bebre bebo wachi wotene wo mu kura ntene na afi amawa be ye mobɔ ewo wiase na nipa bebre ta aka se na bibi duro ni ho obi obeka che se na bibi duro ni ho bia no ka kire nse Dr. Ban so wo boa ye wo na bibi duro ho me se ka kire nse Dr. Ban se oboa openso so a wona ni nyina ntu anamo Mmra etena metena Kumasi atonsu agogo etena me se metena Kumasi atonsu agogo wo hia me na wo nti bibi ase fa ho a wo de bra we me ma wo nkomma ansana ya be yo wo tena ma so ye no ma hwobo so me ba akopɛ na ma gya wo kwan na wo kɔ obifiri wo no na yare ni nyina akɔ ba kan hu ne se ansa na doctor be ka che so be hwɛ oboso me ba akopɛ no na che se na no de be hwɛ wo no enuru boso me no but you grace period a ye de ka wo ma me ne wutie me wa chibrem ka se wo tini mu a entene wo ye wo ho hwie nyeyie wo spinal cord no ho aka wo ko doctor se emu abiebie anase ho awewe oso won kasa ni bia besisi bi so wo ye wo ho hwie nyeyie mesro me se Accra ye was Spintex Road 18 Junction ena Kumasi ye watonsu agogo government hospital nanim ho a me se obi bia wotie me tu anamo na fo wani e kire Dr. Ban so ye na yarewa bia firi utiri so besi wo na ase de onyankopon adom nti Dr. Ba ko pe ena betumi atu sa yare na ase eno ane ban e de ba asem na me pese me ka kire wo asem ba ko pe na me pese me ka kire wo asem a me pese me ka kire wo nyina ne se enne ade bi etiti wo na edi wunya na mu woni daso ne wo kra yura ahwo no me se fa sanyar woni nyina e chena nopa fa bedan ba papa ma mi wa ka hwi chemu wo de mu ache obi a wo de achinchini aba to wo fa ma ba nso ye branie ma waduro ne mpegya wo mfiri hwi che nim na ma me ni daso Mmra na sore nante na koto zayon nyom wo ya chinye die sembe ne wu ene wutie me stroke yare ama wo na ye titiriti ama ne wakadam wo sore kora nsore wo ye dududu maame wo penentem me srew babi a wudi wani be kire eye Dr. Ban so ye ba eye nyuro bebri baro nyankopon adom nti efiri tititi mfie bebri ya hwe yarefo aba beduru no de bi ye da super program yi so beka edi enti na me ka kire wo e bia wo na mu abu maame ntomini ka mfa nkomo obi ya so won sete wo nan na mawo na wo na mu bu a nkase no kura bi wa na ye mienu e bia da keto na na akese ne na abuo ana se ne mienu abu se ni ba no ko sete ne wan sete ne yi a won kwa na nyina wo nan no ebe hawo sa enkoto minika mampa minika enfa won kase ne unom pesam enkodan wo bia de bia me ka kire wo se pe obi a wote wo yare ase no onim wo yare no nim hawa ewo wo yariem na saa nipa no enhwe wo yare ma wo ono ne Dr. Ban wo ba ya so ye ya maame se wo nan mu bu a ye chekehwe hunu se ye keto na na akese no na ya ka wo nan na si so se wo nan mu bu na de komo obi na odi di agoro maame ba bi a wo te no wo twa bosome miensa bosome nan mu na wo koi se wo nan no ntoae nipa na ka akere wo se ebeye wo nan no ansa na wo be firi ho no wo to akase no da bibiro bi ato a enye yie biem wo de tena ho ma no bosome nsia nuru wo nan no be sei me se wo nan no e be sei e ma ne nsa wo nan ansa na kase de ya to aye bosome baako aburu so ye bosome mienu e wo se wotumi sori enante ko ba bi e ma obi nkotoa wo kase bosome miensa bosome nan na kwan da ho no aka che se be ye yie ne de he ebe ye ne de he de bia na me ka kire wo se ka bi free mampo asante mampo na eba ya twere ka no ka no ba ko achi ebe ye yie ene ya twere ba ko nso achi nyam be kire ene ya twere ayi ba ko nso achi aye bi da nti ka me ensan ye de ma wade he na wo betinam ebe ye yie ko na anye yi a na wo koye ne den maame nyame be kire na nyame anko kire a bipo no so koye ne den mampo kumi na wo fudir na betomu a na koye ne den ba nyame be kire de me say ono nso so se nyame ankire saa da no a na koye ne den ba aye bi da de ba aye bi da wato ankasa ni bi da bia no se Ghana ha upo obi oda bibiduro eye nnompe ne nkasa ho adwuma de a eye Dr. Ban ono pe na nnompe ne won kasa oye ho adwuma enunti aye bi da wo ho a nyam be kire wo de ne kwan ebe ye no wo de ne kwan Dr. Ban na ye nkasa ho adwuma enti wo koto dwe na wo na ma esu kekra wo chibrem wo kasa wo nse na yiyi na wo peje mpeja wo tene mu entene wo den na wo twe wo mu enyeyi a maame ani da so ba akopɛ ene Dr. Ban ye pɛ ne betumi aboa wo aka na tu nyare wani nyina ase ba pɛ ne betumi atu ase edi enti na me to sa me kasa ase mi ya kyerɛw ade ba akopa na de bia me ka kyerɛw ne sɛ ani da so we wurade ho ba nda so ne we wurade ho no wo de ase nipa bi nsa so ono na nkura wa pomuden no no won hye mfa nnuema ntoto yi maame ene wutie me kompo yare na se goeta ena etete wo cancer yare edi wunya ene wo ye wo ho hye nye yi ani da so kude bi etu ama wo da ne wo ho kora nane bara ni da so ba akopɛ e wo Dr. Ban ho ye pɛ ne ebetumi aboa wo ama sa anyare wani nyina ase yetu fo wani da so twe wurade na se ade ba akopɛ e na me pɛ me ka kyerɛ wo asama me ka kyerɛ wo nyina nna ne se wo de wani twere wurade a wurade nyankopɔn na bɛma wakwankyere na wakyerɛ wo se kɔ Dr. Ban ho unza na jo da yi wurade ka kyerɛ wo se sɔre kɔ Ban ho eye Dr. Ban pɛ e na betumi ahɔ unza wo honhom kora ka kyerɛ wo nne se e kyerɛ na ɔpɛ wo se me ko hu doctor yi ono na betumi ahɔ me yare ye no mami ni mma wakoma ndada de bia na me ka kyerɛ nkrɔfo se ye twa kwan na anka wo dan a wo se kwan ne tene obi to wo se me dia bibiduro de me de me nnum bi da mami ento emo obi en tu sa mfuturo no ngu wani me kai obi o mo beto me wo hospital wa Accra na papa ne ka kyerɛ ne nua ba ne se won hwɛ yie na wankonoma bibiduro ba ye no te ya hwe emo obi ntu mfuturo engu wani e kyerɛ no pa fo ani kyerɛ Ban so ye me se ye wo wars wo ho ye wo man mema ward wo ho ye physiotherapy wo ho ye physical massage wo ho bebi bie wo se ye fa pomuden ne nkasa ni nompe won de ye ne nyina de ma wo e bia stroke yare ya kyew wo ba ye be massage oni amawunduro ene ne a wo de be wasa so ne a wo be nom acha ye na wo twemi nu na wo twemi nsa wo na wo kro no onyankopon adom nti ye hwe stroke yare na wo hwe wo nipadua no kra obi ehu a ohun se wo stroke yare no ebi kra ache wo da ene prostate cancer hankrofo be ma na jo be jonso saa wo de to ho na ka kira wo nkrofo se emi de ya na menum nsuo dodo nsuo be na wo no wo de wonum nsuo a na wo jonso anadwo tumi dwo so be 4-5 ena wo de nana wo bo ho sabrane mesrew wo be ma no ho ya tochema be ma de wo dwo so anadwo ba ko pe enti ahomache wo be sore no na ntini ni nyina ni nompe ni nyina gina so ena ne ye fro be ma amuya enti na tete no wo se mroafo no na je sa no pa no so de fa praye na obeti aye ye di mu nyame ni nyina ne se ahomache ne bibi pa bi akono ho ena de na tete wo infection ben eye sabsab yo eye namu yare ti se gonorrhea syphilis diabetes anase de na tete wo bp na ha wana me se fo wani kire ba aso ye hepatitis kura de ye nya time ma no ye betu ase ententententem de amaw ede na ha wo hernia na tete wo ana fibroid me srofo wani kire yaso ye ye beboa masanya ruwe nyina ye tuni nyina ase mako ama nigye no atumi awie peye ede nko ana ama wakoma atui ede na ama wo yura ahoi ede na ama wani daso asa bara ni daso wo wurade ho but ni nyina na se obetu ana mo chena nopa na wo de wo yare wo nyina beba doctor ban ho na yedi yennu ba na nyina tu yare na se na wo firi ho ekwa ayeye ne anase da nwoma wo de be me wurade no eye soronko ye number ne 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 me kai wo ba akopɛ biem ebi ene wo ba bi yare twere yare mesro anasa na adwene mu kano mesro fa no bra ba so ye anasa wo ankasa kro betumi aba ba gye aduro no bi akoma no onyankopɔn adom ti sa yare we nyina ti betu ene wakonya brebo yare bi se ye hepatitis A B C D mesro fo ani kire ba so ye ba boawo enye se wo ba doctor ba ho ani ye de nduro ni mawo anasa wo ba ya ani de aduro ni kwakekere wo nan dabi wo ba ye ho a wo be ye card ni ya take wo BP no ni ya hwe ba bi ye da se wo soro anasa wo fom ni ya kire wo ni nyina mu ye kire wo ni nyina mu obeba consulting ni ya busa wade ye ha wo ni ya ko lab ni ya ko ye nhwehwemu nyina hwe se ye no kore se sa de ne na ye ha wo ansa na wo firi ho e ba ye di nubra no aba abeka wo eno ne ye betumi hu se wo yare we de gisi eje wo to ya so ye ana se gisi awokoba na afutuo bi ye wo hu bi ya no ye tu ye ma wo nduro eno na so mo ba omo se ba agenkwa ba akopɛ ne nyina ne se onyankopɔn aye na dom na nhwehwemu na ye be ye no maame na kwasam se wo ba ya so ye ya ye cheke wo moja ye cheke typhoid ye cheke malaria ye cheke sugar diabetes ye cheke H pylori ye cheke se efi bia bedu yema na poison bia ye cheke ni nyina na ya behwe HIV yare ni ya cheke ye chese nipadua ni ba bia ye nipa kwa bia no ye be ye ni nyina ala ba ma ansa na empo ye de adubena na kam enti me serew emprim wakoma e chena nopa tu anamo me simi wo kumase atonsu agogo me ankasa e chena nopa me tenase tuminika bra o chena ye behwew ama onyankopɔn adumunti me se wo beto zayonyo na me se yaso ye yarewa bi afiri utiri so be se wo na ase de wo design Dr. Ban ho a na chese wo koto usika na atwene o wo koto usika na atwene de bia ya na me ka kire wo se hwe doctor obetumi ote wo yare no ase no obetumi ahwew enye se wunya sika na wo ti dede na wo diminika ekọ efa yin na wo kro wo ko ye won se wasan aba no kwasam se yare no se da so wo so sila ye tufo wanti prostate cancer na ye do bema na ye do rubber shim mesre wakwa ba hodo bebre ye yi rubber no e tsena no pa behia me wo ba aduro bra e tsena no pa me se bra na ebe mu woduro acha ye nansa wo se rubber no beyi wo kwa doctor on fa nhyem biem be mu wo pomuden sam no awie pe ya me watumi asere onyankopɔ wo nhira wo na onka wo ho na e tsena no pa bra behia me wo kumase atonsu agogo government hospital na animu hɔ a wododuru hɔ ama na ɛto ade na abuso ɔmsɛ wo ba Dr. Ban akoro pani obi abɛkyerɛw onyankopɔn adom nti wobɛyɛ nhyira
obi abɛkyerɛw ban all road leads to ban tomorrow sɛ obi ambomode no nkɔ Dr. Ban hɔ na nkɔ gina yaresa na me producer fa nyumba ko fa bonjo ko ehyemu na mintumi to me, and put to myself to my element. Now, me sure to be near the family. Now, it is new that you are bringing on board. And then, we'll launch, so speech now, mine, no. Me now come you. What do you think I'm coming? Because one no literature professor no literature in professor. Who professorship in literature. And literature is storytelling. So you are a good storyteller. Into no but now I didn't crap kind of scripted. Camera wa no jana a channel no aka and I say ya trauma no. Now or poetry. Grandma was giving poetry. Now who is a poetry engage the media one-on-one. Engage the winner one-on-one and let them ask you questions about energy. Let's ask you questions about health. Let's ask you questions about law. Let's ask you questions about the Greek. You can't answer. Mama, you can't. You see, what you came to do is literature. What I say about story, and the scripting. Those things everybody can do. But if you like, let's have a media counter. And I'm sure very soon, by next week or next 2 weeks, no, the Baumia is going to showcase the vice. And the vice of Baumia, I'm announcing it, has been taken through spiritual test, refined. You don't feel jemu. You bought the soon pie wo and number 2, you didn't find it jemu. Number 3, a lot of consultation have gone into it. Enti nya ye be yin no. Ye ko adon no. Nipa na kasa wa adon himself did that. Ne ba be yin aba no. Wo yin pa fa agbena. I don't know agbena. Agbena. And it will end the political career of John and Jane, JJ. You see, look at the combination. JJ, John and Jane. John, JJ is dead. So John and Jane combination, no, with the JJ. JJ, JJ is gone. So John and Jane, JJ, the two of you, spiritually are dead. Because the J and J combined is Maurice. Maurice at this party spirit to the court. Or the court into no. I said, okay, I'm sorry for you. There's no meat to share. Because Ghana kasa muano meat na hono and soyen. Undin say Ghana for your word. Na many abre meat ben na obe share. And na Ghana for any atu. Ghana ni bi any ati. What you say? Yeah, my politicians dada ye cap Nsem de mu wi no mu ne ombusua no mu nua no na odan fofo akoche Ghana fo ni abre eni se na uti ona babeke bibi papa ma Ghana fo na ye hu se o ebia na do be ye no nipa be ye bi wan be ye ni enti no ko na wo beto aso a wo so be share meat na ye interest na be share sa meat no na ye mu bi de say meat ni ye nka ho enti ye nya enti be say abenwe. There's nothing like meat to be shared. The national cake. The national cake is so bien and that is exactly what the Nado and Baomi have done. The national cake, the educational cake. One more beer every child of school going age and your free education. When it comes to power, Obia and share. We share even the power crisis happened and say, Mama, more than 4 years now. Or they are striving to resolve it. Uber health, the policies of the government is sharing the national cake. Uko Rosa, every region, Enya growth development, sharing of the national cake. Uber health, the hospitals are being built. What do I say? Uber, every sector of the economy, though, the national cake is being shared. Instead of sharing the national cake, the people are saying coming to share meat. The difference between cake and meat. Meat, no. aye NDC for bibi omo ni je ho because mama said dompe no oma wi aka dompe and I said to back say meat enti meat ni de ye hu ye eni bi na mami a said nam ofene say wako ama odi maslo sika adwane no na grandma Emeka also fight corruption but under your watch. So what is wrong? What is new that you are bringing on board? And then we launch no speech na mine no. Me na come you. We don't come no. Because we no muano literature. Professor no your literature in professor. We professorship in literature. And literature is storytelling. So you are a good storyteller. Into no but now na I didn't crap kind of scripted na camera wa no jana a channel no aka and I say ya trauma no. Now, poetry. Mama, grandma was giving poetry. Now, who is a poetry? Engage the media one-on-one. Engage the media one-on-one and let them ask you questions about energy. Let's ask you questions about health. Let's ask you questions about law. Let's ask you questions about the Greek. You can't answer. Mama, you can't. You see, what you came to do is literature. Oh, they say, a story. And the scripting now. Those things everybody can do. But if you like, let's have a media counter. Into a topic, maybe daily no. 3 parts. First one, maybe share the rise of the media tyranny. The rise of the media tyranny during this period and in terms of our democracy, media tyranny, a media for no year. Omo ye central for. Omo de media space, social media space. Nia omo ye. And kwa fa so omo tete man for fan wudi so. Na omo say man for din. No more creative fear and panic. No more creative insecurity. No more person who destabilize the country. No. Today, I will name and shame a few. Into the NMS media tyranny. We also have a special prosecutor and the attack on our public and state institution. The attack on our public and state institution. The implication, I want my hand, say, public institutions and state institutions come under serious attack and from external and internal elements within our what does it hold for our nation? Into quite fast state institutions are government institutions are say emotion no boy no ban na emotion na o man no tumpong and emotion to na prepare ye adwuma no. So omoba and attacker then so be na deba. Lastly, na ma share medical any fella trending seriously because medical asata kasa na or kasa na broken heart na kasa be me bi oja wari biara or kasa in the media no na ordinary sem to social media na broken heart. The medical broken heart and the legal implication. And Matthew said, Felaso a filed petition to the director of CID to look into the conduct of medical. And what is happening when two couples, na backward status or misbehaving, not all breaching the rights of the other, or engaging in impunity. What is the legal implication? And number two. But the other kind of men shall see with yeba betuaba. Yura abatumu. Yewo May dear co. Was next week na Bosubra begins to say June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Akayen 7 months. Into June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Exactly 7 months. Na ye kotoaba na ya Ghana for determine whether we have to break the eight and now we change government. And that decision rests on the people of Ghana and everybody, a stakeholder, to ensure smooth process. Say, sir, process no, be very smoother. At the end of the day, no, it's a power no, be changing hands, and changing hands smoothly. The first power no, and changing hands so you move forward as a nation smoothly. And the various stakeholders no, niyebi koso na Ampaw, esa niye no, esa me draw your attentions. Eba sa niye no so na ye hwe because sa niye no edi yo edi basabasa ye edi tutu asem edi Ghana be ko ditch ya hwe anka wasem a na na make wasem no is about media tyranny. Media I've been a law lecturer. My lecture media law for more than 15 years of my life. You move in starting media law. Ghana Institute of Journalism. Most of the media law syllabus, no, me lawyer Ampaw, you move in the buy. Into my media law for more than 15 years of my life. And media law go meeting to say BB. My students are all over the country. Every media house be a media house be a mention be a day war. Into no, the media law no, we understand. Into no, me lawyer Ampaw, I'm not a media person. I'm not a journalist. I'm not a trained. Into me I'm not a trained journalist. The ameti ane me share my opinion, but me a trained, qualified, satisfied lawyer. You call me to the bar 2001, and I'm almost 23. I'm 23 years at the bar. They say I'm practicing law no for 23 years. The whole Ghana court be anywhere I'm in court. The whole Ghana judge be anywhere own name me. And the cases are my year do or Ghana no. For my boom, pro bono cases are my year no endorse. What I say, and the first ba academia. Lawyer Ampaw there were 5 universities. What I say, me di wo bebia universities are much there 5 universities no Central University much there for more than 5 years. Bolare mo I am a student. You know I always talk about Bolare being my student. Bevrolate was my student at Central University. Sampiyali I have experienced journalists are much my dear, judges are much my dear. All nations universities and 5 universities much there. Into no I sit here as an authority. The guy's authority lawyer near my being olom. Na machre lawyers are there, judges are there. Na machre journalists are there. Into me I'm richer than almost all the journalists are. Almost presenting media space. Into no me me legal experience, you know, and the media law no next my drink. Into me platform we are very rich. What do I say? And so when you have such a personality, me church the Mmra, now me educated and me informed, no. It enrich my program and it brings stability. But if you have a situation where media law are very critical and it is very, very important, say the journalism are here practicing, you're practicing in such a way, say, Enfa onyo young man. It is crucial. Say you better make sure say you don't do quality and any criticism. You know, journalists or China junior. It should be more of critique, but not insult. That's the thin line. And say a lot of most of the journalists are engaging in not criticism. They are not educating. They are not informing. They are not critically bringing the government to their toe, but rather media landscape but abadani people who have the capacity. I'm not developing the capacity to insult. And to share your media landscape, as you know, your social media, the new media format. They say media nansi abano any social media, Facebook, Twitter, any sign of mano. A lot of people are doing journalism through that space. And now what traditional media now, I can graphic, any television now, and also be more, you know. The media format and the new media now afra. I must say, they produce journalists, they Ghana produce journalists. In fact, only a problem. See, journalists like Captain Smart, I don't call Captain Smart like a journalist because I'm not a journalist. Oh no, you're bullying, social media bullying. Or I say, or analyzation, or better, it did their pam, also journalism. You have Kevin Taylor on analyzation, it did their pam. These are the people who are creating problems. Then we have the so-called investigative journalists. Almost the investigation. Almost sorry, not to say, Gandam, Okojisika, now Obesem, Obiding, Okojisika, no, we did the attempt. So we have those media houses, and journalists in this country, Omaha Jackie media space, no. Now, Omodi attempt the day, any bullying, any fake news, any damaging people's reputation, and tonight I'm going to expose one. And before I expose that one, no, Kofi, Kwekwanang, I am a downfall. I'm a pen sempa. We always talk every day, we chat every day, or send me in the programs and views every day. Bro, we can Japan media or interview me. Personally, I have a very good relationship with him. But there's something that is unpardonable. And I decided not to talk to him, but also come and expose him here so that I didn't so be trended. Is Kwekwanang attack on innocent people. One year investigations ye. Now what take a situation one-sided with no proper investigations, no evidence. Facts no, or he got the facts wrong, or getting the evidence wrong, and then he went and started maligning, destroying reputations, and damaging people's reputation. And then no me person ni akukwa na ye no ebebo producer wo he bomodi anda yentie akukwa na the way ordinary assembly to then my investigations to expose him. Yentie akukwa na
Tonto. Okay. Oh, yeah. Omwana omotosa, omunyu ni minim west.
Matonto.
Omwana etosa anyum we are going. Heaven knows where we are going. We know we will. We will get them. And then the office of the president, Mmra has said. And then National Security Ministry, and so Mmra. Ora Matonto, Samoba Kaya. One way to be all over the world. Womaton Ghana, Akwe musician be any Ghana. I repeat, musician biara any on my Ghana mu fie pieye kwa toye to and whatever biara ni wa obetimi do no wa compare the late Matonto and the group Osibisa no obi ani ho ora Matonto ni group no ekobo ball omu call stage ko lot of enyama pia a share Ghana in Nyamwa. Part of the omu player, womu ekwa bontin, anase, womu music festivals, womu ko ekwa organize wa bonteno. Enu ne lidi ya Ghana, ye see, a art center, semunim art center baby ewa, Osibisa no group. Ene kobo festival, omu ko festival, MEDC art center ne esi hono. So Ghana fu nim the history noa. Apart from so maton Ghana din, amanone, akoye niema pi no wo mu nsem process no sika o munyaye no ene de kosi a center esi ho sabriwe.
Wow.
Oh yes. Now ebra won mu wie no it was in the era of Lieutenant General Kutu Echampon. And Echampon ready no so know what the Ghana din akwani mu pa o ena Kutu Echampon etwa asase kese pa de ma Ora Matonto ne ne yere amase wa bosu se wono mu emfensi omo dan na omo ntena ho asase ne hemfa no twama omo se wonnam bebia me bekan a na wonnam ho a fo ni hwe ho me kire wo se wura jowulu inside he ya from Shiashi. Exactly. Your friend said Fiesta Royal. Take left. Go straight to the end of the road. Okay. End of the road. It's a T junction. Yeah. Take right. Okay, right. Go up to the end of another end. Sa end, you know. Look straight to Sa end. If I never bend it to left. Ever bend it to left. This one won't bend it to the left, you know. It's straight, you know. Straight in the right. So I want to be a Ghana gas. Ghana gas. So before Ghana gas on your right, look at Sa structure in his way. There's no way you can miss it. That whole edifice nesu a dynasty wa ya pass ye to sunina a company sini ye bubu nyome gu ho ya safe ye no completely. That is the late Matonto building. The late Matonto and in the year Amasewa Tonto were matna for more than 40 years before he died. Okay. Now when Matonto died, then controversy started. Against what? Any pebe free here. One more say, hey, Matonto at dying and in assassin, ayo modienti, or moba fako. How? The late Matonto building. Now, Moshe said, Daniel, so ya pa a danusri na. And the CIA who calls this album who said that way. I will see about Facebook in the better way. And at home. My son, ye to Susan. Yeah, number betrem why in theatre, sir. Yes. Me fear no. Surround the hood now, baby. Why who said, and I saw money sports you been a share war. Now, baby, who says our sports you know, that is Ghana gas from AstroTurf. Okay. Sir AstroTurf Park Kakako in a neck Matonto. Assassin. Oh yeah? Yes, very big. Abrabo Tebia why no a self-style national security. I a friend even Kweku Wiafe Ado. He's a criminal, he's a crook, and a thief. I swear to God. National security. Any office of the president, and the may release it Dini Biego. Now, story we won't Fifi a mood. We are feeling more than a picture number. More than a picture and tour. Now, there's a lot about this we are figuring. We are feeling all down. And I know Makatan. Oh, would your friends say? No, see, oh, I know why I'm saying some more fun. There's a reason. There's a lot about this guy, and Nyoma, we are feeling every year. If the baby any Ghana for Papa way, Eddie CC ABC from the same that guy is going to do a lot. I me catch and say Ghana uncle me pacho scrap this now your friend is saying what me we are feeling in Nakasa. Me say ni baby awo everything in Nakasa. Afi tie me. You know how I do my work. No, we have first conversation over there. Ora we have ado now a change din I and see a friend atukwe fio. A thief, a criminal. Who say me board your recording it show? I won't do it now. I won't do it now because me pray paper. And I'm that damn hole. Picture yes, Ghanaian, we need to expose. We need to expose, name and shame them. When we are crum for my minute don't not say they Nsem. No face and no mabi better for being a dinner ABC dano. Or be a window noir. Fifi, a man numbering about 50 are surrounded the whole house. And our Joe, and our daytime. 4 a.m. Ahumache 4 a.m. Yes. We feel my minute that demo. We come, Mitchell. Said the entity. Womu Budane Gunta, Dana Moshe and Srono, Etutunu, and yet BBC and Madani to Nipan and Fro Dino, or bidane them this very building way. Womu Fro building way, no Makoshawa, we move to ceiling, everything we move to the Mamma Daho. Rafi Obia Peso, who baby, we are finity. We are finities. No one names Kwekuma dig so much. Hey, me te tell somewhere be say look, there are penifobity to Jubilee House and also in the government are more used to certain personalities like that we are feeling for and I'm more seeing for properties. I thought say yes, a story from a distance, not knowing I said very close, and I'm about to handle one. We are feeling to SCC ho. Now even SCC police for Mika say. So SCC police for Tiemia, they know in the police station was the Riafino or Yedwa office of the president, and number 2 also 2IC to national security minister. Where how? And a Riafina complimentary, more for complimentary card and toso. Why a complimentary card? Complimentary card no all distribute to the man for no the complimentary card may be. Now why in his wildest imagination and obekwa complimentary card e dey abeto ho say or the regime beto so aye den your friend is saying the email na address everything e work card we so and or dey mama lawyers now complimentary card na e da ho no bo ni din Mr. Dian wiafe ado dear ben mo can any go on or cromfo and on nam no distribute card with now the latest intelligence we are picking is or the sa why a South style national security operative and a treasure on nam and we see for digital for properties but then our intelligence tells us that there are top people in government or mochinechi and omni need this edge now main country MPP penifoni be said even under the era of the late flight lieutenant Jerry Rawlings people survived though Intina mu bi mu pay asem no bebe kan krona chere Ghana for mu pay asem mu pay up to you people they all know the history of Owura Mactonto say onye sabi nipa hu keke this is a man obobra obia odi Ghana image ekoye na so former president input to me hu ne dwuma waye and odi asase che no a ene in the contemporary and ene no o my Ghana no de na ebe ya ma say busua we na chinwe de betu ayama ni de betu ayama ni ana mu ni nyansa sa mu ni adwen sa properties na mo from de akọ tonto ankasa ba eye na adwen say ono so e ba manso hu bi but later no ba na dia astrotef no a ho asem no oho ena no ye interested not the main building Nsem
okay
yes Inti no crampo de Urano battle that issue no crano with Ghana gas for.
It's a honomo no Tonto Banner.
I only na say Kansas no.
And I say baby AstroTurf for
yes.
Mr. Tonto, the late Mr. Tonto, the banner there.
Exactly. But Omaton,
Panaton,
we are fino
Atoma.
Any a first Tonto, brother near Fini Joseph Tonto. Omaton Ghana gas
Abra and Mr. Tonto banning him Hoshi.
Only Hoshi, so ban or Betty say, hey, ask me or the Ghana gas for Nako court. I'm telling you a serious story.
Wow.
We are feeling the shame no years I do now. It's a bus on a Saturday. We must have a video, but we are feeling. But
Saturday we are.
Yes.
After Musakano.
Yes, Akano. Yes, Akano. You didn't quote him on, and Omia said they have to detain him. Kofa papers in the bra. One more Tiwa, the who answer a call from somewhere. Ura police headquarters war. Moon release we are feeling for now. And who called? I don't know more WONTUMI, Chairman WONTUMI, and a fray. Make a chance of Chairman. I'm not going to spare you guys. Shamunya be careful. Mudin and yet then I'm one person Mudin bed. I don't give a hook. Chairman WONTUMI and a fray from
a fray.
You want me to produce that? Intelligence in the PSNO. Obisha, we are Fiachi, and we are Fianim. Quite a number of people within the system. A shade no more any of my say. Anti Ora WONTUMI di APA. I'm so how? Well, with all the people on the APA, Mami place it to WONTUMI. When I place a call to WONTUMI, then WONTUMI confirm say yes, Onimbibi efas assassin. I'm saying no winim, Chairman. And also, assassin there, we are feeding na or toss assassin, and that's we are free as or shena on any transno moyenium.
We are sure say WONTUMI akasa na onene kasa no.
Fifi pa. Ogaza we are sure and we are sure the end banker to banker. Vivi. Ni me dwume kakra uzuni. Many WONTUMI na kasa.
Okay.
Yes. And we were about 3 people on the line. Myself, WONTUMI, and in the 8. Andy. Na chama kansempi. Na dia ba ko kan ya. The catcher said, then Chairman, be careful here. Or say, Kweku, as I say no, yen transfer papers name Jimu. That means in Jimu. However, we can hazard a guess, say, or there's some significant amount to be aqua shares as maybe we have now, as we have always the top in Pinifono, Sano Moyeno.
As in deposit or what?
Well, I mean, Achimota na they call golf club winner. We make to transfer say winner. Atomedia ora we afi edin hihye mu bi. Achimota golf club ho. Ohonsa sin nara Ghana mpanimfo etwani nara atomedi. Ora we afi edin ededa so bi. We afi the sa kwan way to South-Style National Security Office of the President assisting Kwafo bebre. Hajeju omonsa say no properties. And I catch say WONTUMI you careful. You're careful. Careful, WONTUMI be careful on your careful. Ni niti ni achi we afe. And a woo frese yenjai we afe no. E die benti and office say yenjai we afe. We afe no dia wa ye no. E ade e se na fata se. O man ya WONTUMI no. Wo fie owura WONTUMI. we are sure say obi betimi ewura wo fie abeka kire wo kuma so say asase na fie ni sisu na ne dia nti oba be bu fie na guma homache na wa ba betre because ne dia. Can this happen? And why would WONTUMI supervise such a serious crime, heinous, against an innocent person, and for that matter a legend, an iconic of our time? Because moja asasine dine is unia e dia kwa dia momope. Has it gotten to this? Why
Anan Ayareho say would they abeg join Gandam media na ushakasa kokwana kenyano WONTUMI produce one land document nyamo kenyano WONTUMI produce any documentary evidence asasi wasem. Now the only man is say, ya bo Mr. Wiafi adodin na oye criminal, and then ya bo chama WONTUMI ding or support criminal, and the matonto, and the kind of impunity, the level of what I say, pomposity. Meanwhile, no onye investigations in bia. Rather no wakoji si kefim uma hiho na wabetra radio station na Kingdom FM fifi wama the platform na kokwanai damaging Mr. Wiafi Ado reputation na all label no criminal without any documentary evidence na eya areho na kokwanan be ready because media adiba kwa minim say patapa pioto no ye de brand e because before me member out na me be handle wo no ya yesu ya yesuhwemu enya documentary evidence to expose you say nia uye ukan nia no eye false no kwari bako bi enim and when they say what better ho na run it down the said Mr. Kweku Adono now label the criminal now who bring the national security into the picture, the office of the president, and this is what is happening in the system. Mukoji musika number ho as a journalist, investigative journalist, okasa asun sema unyi document and then chile okasa asun sema o say police ya beche no uni police report okasa asun sema o say asase yo bidia asase no ni pakore da no WONTUMI produce any document to show but rather no o trash and then run your mouth, damage the reputation of Chairman WONTUMI, damage the reputation of Wiafi Ado, involve the national security, the IGP and the police involved, now the office of the president. And you see, I'm going to expose you. Media mikasa, media evidence media mikra media move on to so mikra documents a title lease asasia kokwana kasa na ni asase no eye maami bia maami no osi wo fe no me hwe osi wo maami no wo fe dey ekua konedu yadom all no see say konedu yadom asase no ne dia esase maktonto asase a owi na ne yiri ebe ekọ ne yiri di mu na ne yiri nso ewu na obey say asase no ye ne dia the meaning say asase obi dia no owu a either say ukoye probate or your will obey probate na ana wanya will obeye letter of registration na sa ase no ye administrator no wa vesting assets obe vesting assassin no into who name na for the vesting assent a document the land document into obe register with lands commission and say na ye transfer about dimu mami a wo friend ekua konedu ya dom no a wo se assassin ne dia no one kasa story o kan assassin no enya na onya lease no bo se matonto ene ne yere ena matonto ne yiri nia ne mo bewu enti matonto ne yiri wu no ma nya wela assassin no eko etumi ye ekua konedu ya dom a ono ye matonto yere anti kwan be so na assassin no tumi ye ne dia when ya kokwana anko bisa legal advice onim says assassin you be dia na eko obi ho a ye wo legal process enti obi oye anti property ene dia obi anti dan anani sase ene dia na so obi anti wu a anti ni de onima oni yire na wo anti no una wo claim say matonto yire no onen eyo anti ekwa ya dom konedu wo claim say ade ne eyo anti na o anti no owu ye no ode dan no na sign no ma wa na oye will no de ma wa na nothing ukoji early and wo vesting land no e wo di mu a nothing enti mame na kokwana ti ho na oka ena mame no na sase ena kokwana koku we fene say ado Mr. Ado we afi any chama WONTUMI no amakwaji na sase no this woman has failed to produce any document only lease because assassino a government land government public vested land na assassino public vested land ah ye the man wa just say government man lease mamini ni lease mamino assassino so kwa man lease o assassina what you lease no what the man back to the yere no a mbo wu no mamina o say oye anti to maktoto yere no oni early only probate assassin so you investing into ono so he doesn't have vesting assets HS assassin no ye di amano wo bra kwan so on court enkoje tumi say assassin no ye be transfer only registration bia na mami ebe hu kokwa na pesikama no o dey say kokwa na ko radio station no obo gandam no say Mr. Ado or say Yafi Ado or Pusa Chama WONTUMI or the national security account no sound or the office of the president account na obubudi na all sell mania apart from the list documenta mikwa wa ha HSA the president of the Republic of Ghana and ama Yafi company your friend the company no edino what I say the name of the company no the company name no tell me who company name no Yafi Be Hope Construction Limited and a government among lease it no kwekwana utemia and Ghana for ni utemia matonto land na wo kano the lease has been given to Yafi company registered now what say Yakobubu dino na mama no koye police report yes mama no koye police report na koye police report no police for ye hwehwemu nia no police report nso nie police fato so police report in here the police report any near ayesanka now police report no for the benefit of a telephone into no mekan no police report no is dated 2nd April 2024. And brief facts. See, date of offense, November 2023. Place of offense, Jowulu, West Airport. Nature of offense. Mamini koya case against you, officer, or trespassing against the property. And a name and address of the complainant here, Ikuya Kudedu Yadom. Nia Kwekwana Abejina Hoya Ganda Modintro. No Tranto because of local few. And the name and address of suspects, Yafi Ado. And the name of investigator, no, Detective Inspector Fabiola Zachary. Sir. Now, brief facts. On 8th November 2023, complainant Ekuya Kunedu Yadom filed a petition reporting a case of trespass and causing unlawful damage on a property situated at Jowulu, West Airport. She reported that a late auntie, Amma Sewa, and a late auntie's late husband, Maktonto, owned a building property at Jowulu, West Airport. That after the death of the couple, suspect Yafi Ado went to claim the property and has begun taking off the roof of the property. As such, wanted police to investigate the matter. Now, police action. Police, on receipt of the complaint, visited a scene of crime in the company of the complainant, Ekuya Kudedu Yadom. Police observed a land of about 2 plots with a story building on a portion of it. It was also observed part of the roof of the house has been taken off. Suspect Yafi Ado was invited to the property fraud unit to assist in police investigations. He honored the invitation and was arrested, cautioned, and released on police inquiry bail. Inti anang I will say chairman WONTUMI na MJ call ni jano. Say your fraud be na a man of police inquiry bail. If an chairman WONTUMI chairman WONTUMI ejuma police. Inti won say your man the bail police inquiry bail. So your allegation say chairman WONTUMI was the one who ordered the release. No, Kokwana, you will answer. You will answer because the petition to summon you before the director of CID for spreading fake news is already ready. It's ready. And you will answer for those calls. Now, let's go on. In his caution statement to the police, Yafi Ado, said that he initially acquired the land from Teddy Osei, a brother to Joseph Tonto and Matonto. That in an attempt to register the same, he realized that the land was registered in the name of the government, and he consequently acquired the land from the government as well, and registered it in the name of his company, the Hope Construction. That he went onto the land to work, but was obstructed by the complainant. He supported his claim with an indenture dated 30th December 2022 between the President of the Republic of Ghana and the Hope Company Construction Limited, an allocated letter from the Lands Commission. Now, findings. That's the findings. But the producer photo show findings. I'm reading from the findings. Findings. Investigation revealed that Mark Tonto and his siblings, Joseph Tonto and Teddy, were into music and performed under the brand name Osibisa and were based abroad. In 1977, they came to Ghana and performed. And after their performance, the then government gave them 1 acre of land, which they collectively put up a building on one part, so that anytime any of them visits Ghana, they will have a place to lay their heads. It was further revealed that consequently, the eldest of the brothers, Mark Tonto, got married and decided to settle in Ghana. Hence, he moved into the house with his said wife, Sewa, Ama Sewa. They stayed in the house till they started having issues in their marriage and ended up in court. As the case was in court, McTonto fell sick and sold 2 plots out of the 1 acre to treat himself. He consequently died. However, his late wife, Amasewa, who was an auntie to the complainant, continued to reside in the property till she too passed away in 2020. The 2 surviving brothers, namely Teddy Osai and Joseph Tonto, sold the remaining 2 plots with building on it to suspect William Ado. The suspect, in his attempt to register same, realized that the land was in the name of the government. He therefore went on and acquired same from the government to the Lands Commission. In the course of investigation, the complainant could not support her case with any document. Listen to me. Minya bema. Minya be obi biara owo kwakwanai on friend so wonya miss call. Complainant out na one of the one no who defending no. Police report finding they say he could not support his claim with any document or need lease or need letter of registration or need vesting assets. He doesn't have any interest in the land. Enti wu ti hona wo ka say assassino eye suspect eye complainant ne dia assassino eye maame ne dia na u tetemu na maame ne na sase ene da otimu ane anti ede man no one produce any document say ne anti ede asa die no kra ma no only document say o lease between government and no only document say ne anti we no kwa no oye early and oye probate you be be of an investing asset. You see, these things you can only learn from a professional lawyer who is trying to be a journalist. We say kokwana unti ase one call law school unye law. It you see utrase na okasa no kasa wa ukasa tie mu bubo mu nyansa ba ku se nim nyansa ba ku se nim. It you say allegation say ye nia no won't produce any single document because uyobia uya brasie na upeso shia dia when issue of land as assembly seek opinion called lawyers ho omoya landlord experts and now Lands Commission na ko ji ntitremu esa say answer obi like say asase edan ye medi na edan enti say brodo edan enti say atare esa edan ye immovable property enti edan bia no ownership no one of the key things is on your title documents. What the document next year ownership of a land one of the document good title is document enti no maame na udi na ti na be wa no abaya gandam ebe tietiemu ebe didi openia wobo bra na oye juma presidency na obe gu ni mase say wiafi ado e che ni fie odi ase na say o che ni fie say langas ko ni kuku kokwana what committee hu bebre what produce fake news which causes fear and panic and put Mr. Riafi and the family and the wife and children into danger. So tomorrow Monday you answer. You go police station. Now what substantiate? Mami no so also go in to the seat of public officer. Mami get ready. Also police will cause arrest by tomorrow morning. You'll be arrested because you see you can't go to and claim land house are only documents. House are and you will see it. House I will say auntie. Auntie is only documents. Oh, Jesus Christ. Suspect, listen to me. Look, and let me tell my dear Ghana Munsha dear. Munim equia ya konedu ya doma ono ofi Germany. Oti send the auntie wuno. Obe ya dino. I only papers. Oti send the auntie wuno. I call Baba ton dino. Macton to dina papers in the any dimno. Ma many Baba ton. Na no nim say Mactonto ni nuano ma omo bo osibisa no omo so owo ho because as I said the momu miensa no ya unfortunately for them no omo mu kra omo ntuma register asase no ya ma mu offer no mu see dan no but offer ya ma offer wa Lands Commission e so accept offer no until omo accept offer no we call Lands Commission ukoye searcher omudi ni ho enti o aunt na wo say e dan ne ye dia no o aunt no only title to the land only title to the house e dan ni di mu only title to the house two wewu enti wewu no maami ekua unadu ya dom so obi wu adan na che say ne dan ya odia the only thing about who say adan ya odia ne ye who be produce letter of administration no what produce vetting assets no na say we ya enya that form o de LA baba o de for say o de documents o be ko take measurement of the place and o the document be support to because it is document transfer document and you know complaints no as show clearly let me read the final part or see in the course of the organization the complainant could not support the case with a document hence the land was picked and a search conducted with a site plan that was generated. The search at the survey and mapping division of the lands commission revealed that the land has not been affected by any protected activity. At the land registration division, it revealed that the land was not affected by any certificate. However, at the public and vested land management division, the land is registered in the name of suspect company Behope Construction. And then you see that we have document that shows, say, LA document, producer, look at the LA document. LA document was given to Montonto brothers to sell the land. They have documents from LA. That's Behold Construction Company Limited. As I said, transfer more. You see the thing, and then we have the various documents are who say the company has done the right thing. Now Ayawa so West Municipal Assembly, because Mr. Riafi Ado Company, the Hope Construction Limited, now owns the property now, almost submitting to the Ayawaso West Municipal Assembly Work Department for demolition permits, and it was granted them. That is why they demolished Omuyi roof. So they have been given permission to demolish the structure, and all the documents are here. It was a mere make Kasano. My support too, whatever I'm saying with documentary evidence. Opana, Kwekwana Kujisika, Akobokwa Gandam. It was only document to be a. And when I say, or Latin, you know, and Mr. Papai, and or your criminal, and or your criminal, 1, 2, 3, or your criminal, 1, 2, 3, or your criminal. All that is said in the hand, say, Papa, ni a criminal, only any record. Kokwana, answer na ube kas will be a criminal. No, I said, the party court. Na court, a man hearing. Na ya charge no. It is not Nsem na court a convict no. Na ya sentence no. Answer na. Ube kas a criminal. But you see, these are the things some of these Momo journalists know you are doing to hurt people's reputation. Make a look at the way or dragging the office of the president. Look at the way of dragging the chairman into the matter. Look at the way of criminalizing or making Mr. Riafi Ado look bad. Actually, the fear. Meanwhile, Obana who command Obano assassinated Diner Wono. Any dim, he has no interest. He has no right even to reside there. Etibinia, Wakwana, Sa Gandam na koye no. Agbafaya, but to your notice no, I think say you will receive a summons. You be sue any Kingdom FM for defamation. You also report to one Kingdom FM. Quick, Fifi Pratt who get ready. Ubenya police criminal summons. Party report to police for offense near spreading fake news is against section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act. What I say to be traced na mankasa wetra ho and adan asasia unim baby assassin fi unya investigation about the title unim the owner of the land, but just you came and then giving the airspace no what deep president office for them people working there no robbing chairman to me attack the innocent hardworking God-fearing Yafiado. Nene ne phone so ne say we yi sika akọ lease for na sase na aban ama the title na wanya demolition order eno ama eno gina so e de ko yi roof no odo ko yedi papa we yi roof no ene kokwa nan enam ena auto yampia. You see, so please kokwa nan and your cohort, people like Captain Smart Mo, they speak without evidence. Kevin Taylor, they speak without evidence. And for say, Boamamo, they speak without evidence. So we have media gandam. More than tell you say, I buy impeding for office of president always comes at attack. Omunim she until when yakwana ye gandam, you look at how he has brought the office of the president to disrepute. Criminalizing the office of the president. No wonder. And then, people are not talking about corruption is being cooked from the presidency. These are some of the things that money evidence and you destroy people's reputation. And I'm sending you this warning. So we gandam as to the ownership of the land previously owned by Tonto and then Teddy Mono, the one who have the interests, the lawful right, and its possession of that land, we are free. Adoa, the company here be Hope Construction Limited, and he has every right under the laws. In support of documentary evidence, the woman's complaint at the police station. Let me read finally what the police said. The woman complained at the police station. May they finally report the police for the kind of deno. Ni complaint of koye say obi abejeni dying, obi bubuni dying no. Police ye hwehwe mu ni ewie no. Report police ni ba no. Say finally or see status of investigations. Case docket closed as lack of evidence because the woman Mami Yadom. So Timbia police for say who buy be did throw to cry be chill for the seat of public officer. They be arrest you. Say when you kufia wakoma kukwana fake news until wo any kukwana madam we want to declare them wanted. We want to yes madam ekuya kule do yadom and kukwana mumienu niano you will be charged for spreading fake news, and then defamation will also follow suit, and that is the way out. Minianum che obi di progu so afa do court obi can send be anymore cause competition the police na you pick your. That's the only way out, because see Eduma Yawadin say they will make this government unpopular. That is the strategy. They want to make it because he's trying to make the government look unpopular. And the serious allegation is and the government produce any evidence. You drag WONTUMI into it, you drag Ado into it, you drag the government, and you drag innocent appointees, and you drag the whole government into an allegation who need iota of evidence. And do you think we will allow irresponsible journalists to honor mafa titles school no man kobi school no tubo kobi so journalistic practice no more aton chen mu nim hwe ma bon mu nim hwe they say they come and then they hold themselves as if they know. They don't know. Onim hwe. Because common law, common knowledge will tell you say so because say asase a you ask of documents. No be say why inherit obi ewu enti asase ne be dia you must ask certain questions inquisition and so inquire from the person and by the saying asase ne be your dia nipa no will no your will and so you copy of the will so when you will ele no wahi if for the mom ya mom letter of situation na omo to your vetting assent omo to me did asase no another na show di mu ana na sa vetting assent no you restart on lands commission and they said line title and this is journalists for no nimo omo bon omo nkosua na abetrase na we tete mu and you have do your comfort and you have do your junction and you have do ni tema WONTUMI na o kind of trasa na o your money here na o your money here enti me there get ready kwekwana you have to go and defend yourself also abetrase we kan kwasia we feel say expose here we need evidence me have back everything that I've said here with evidence documentary evidence that's it. And the police will have it. By Monday, we are taking you to court to go and prove it. That is the way to go. MPP government, take these media vampires on. Take these media empires. Look, this is the way to go. Omuka assembly anymore. Munko suyomo. Munko police station. Let's harass these media people. Hey, look, if almost see, make the government popular. Let's go after them. Or make a fake story about you. For the call police station 100 times. That is why the say, girlie, by checking the numeri, fella, or saw the medical police station. Because we are violating section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act. So we didn't try go me so. Hey, Obi didn't try go so after no call police station. A criminal offense. Obi spread the fake news after no call. Me say, me ni kofu bebre be ko me ni kofu bebre me be check stories am fa ye mom ya and the true na mo da to me so me di munya be ko back enti Mr. Yafi Ado kokwanan ene maame no asori tiawo na ya sewdin potopoto no nyame enti no we are innocent. You acquire the land legally. You are the lawful owner of the land. You have the right to demolish the land, and the state or the land man no ediweti. Kwekwanan and Madam Yadom, you are wanted by the police. Monko go yim hwano. Why mu minu? Woni document akọ di ntro ekire Kwekwanan ama Kwekwanan so abetrase abaye gandam gandam no aba fire. Now, Chairman WONTUMI no be dinu agro. Be say Chairman WONTUMI. Chairman what who say obi say the man society da. WONTUMI society. And we have do so or innocent. The man has credibility. That's why he works with kings and kings. He is impact. You are Ghana idea say Ujidi now you are the panel person sell. Your person run it down. So we will not allow anybody to run down innocent people in this country. We will come after you. We will come after you. Now, let me move on to the second segment. Second topic. Cesar Poscuta are trending because they are petitioning against Ono. And what I can say about it is that we said Jabendi, meaning the president whom won you move it. A Juma now, Cesar Poscuta, Juma, they be brain, ya for my you move it. But also quick he said Jabia, maybe no Ampaw. In every area of my life, no, I'm above him. He said Jabia small. He was called to the bar in 203. I was called to Mumu Genio. Cases are winning or court, and they may or court. He said Jabin my. You will be heading to carry system no. Now I am a shisha. Me I could check with Jabe. Was a Majan crabby blue, as a Majan also can be. So I can be. Consider Jabina your former lawyer. obi a kwesi agya bia me ne court abi ko defeating no court we assume 6 times ni nyame de ball from 6 times kwesi agya bin nanado kwesi agya bin ena wasamaja na lawyer sarakobra only wasamaja lawyer kwesi agya bin the case is 3 we won no enti that me say your friend special put am say na fa me ho ene ni na nanado ene MPP for mu hini be som so because omo be adwuma no mo fa mo omo a omo be adwuma no mo fa mo president ko fa wo fe say Mike Tambidu anye ye akofa kisaja ben anye ye ina bi na be fa enti no kisaja ben dia media me kai me hu say adwuma no ntumi nye because one kisaja ben kasa no issue with temperament na kuma hano and you did too much of so in London. And no mushy. Gano wa cash. Into mushy. So I go for them call law no London be. Omo dia. Until the way our handle office no. Na mun say he's going to have problems. Because the office of the special putano, you move in silence. That should be the office. So na yoko. Every investigative office biara go after criminals no ye de deal. Anti-corruption office agencies no omo pay de one. Every anti-corruption into what is charge ye de charge anye de yoko ye de national security omo ye de police investigation and CID for and you know that should be. But he said Jabin decided to take the office as the personal property be with swag, change of way, or per cast way, and or per swag way, and a way employee way, quite way, fine. I don't have a problem with that. But the noise were becoming too much. There can be press conference, and I thought that you should have spokesperson. Governor Dami, spokesperson. So Governor Dami moves in silent. Tiwa moves in silent. Director of CID Madam Muntidi ding. Charge boss. Ding. But Kisa Jabin was making noise. And now her picky way, or this as some media one are picking, and these things created enemies for yourself. Trap. One can entrap you. Who said that Cecilia Casey and your case be a bia, who my case ni who now the name na press conference, now we now mu showcase your cochina na media did public show. And the way they do be no Ghana the 18 no. Ghana we are there moving silent. And to be there, I'll wait for the outcome of the committee you are setting to either establish pre-martial case or not. I don't have any interest in this case. I don't have any interest. Kise Ajabi, whether he's removed or he's not removed, no. Ghana will go on. Corruption na kasa muano. Entiasi. Both opposition and everybody. You don't want to be truthful. You say no kware na yen pese eka nya twum na e wo Ghana fo nemu all Ghanaians ye corrupt. You see Ghanaians like asana by I don't know whether by our tradition in am ye corrupt and now by intimidation and now by lack and now by because of your comedy na ye mobo na ye ni bi na ye ni right you know we are all corrupt. Obia yen corrupting no Ghana bia no on man is aso. Obia yen corrupting no. You see, you can be a judge. Maybe in your line of duty no, nobody corrupts you, but in your life you have been corrupted. Obia corruption in relationship. Corruption in relationship. Yen no kware as wagadri fraud in relationship. Yen we open term no bribe to say utiho ye we mami whom you know no after downfall. Even we call people all those things are part of corruption. Yenya corruption eduare yen, but yenya na ya say attacking xenophobia, na ya create impression. When it comes to issues of unexplained wealth, Jesus Christ, who is clean? Unexplained wealth. Who is clean in this country? Kwa fa so yenya nsika ye krika. Nya chum. Can a piano ye dwuma bia no, obusum cake pay and cannot take you home. You know. All businessmen, you can't do daily business without kona. Money, electricity for air connections. Businessmen are like mutu masika. Any money ya. Judges are more bribes. We know all of you. Police for more JJ. We know. Judge did we check case pa no yeni say pa no case. God have mercy. God have mercy. Nesikeni pa no ji oyeni o ti so yeni on try to kay. That's not what it is. So we are not honest. Even in our tax obligation, we are not honest. Tax is here trying to. We are always shortcutting, passing corners. That is what we do to the state. Munya chuno. NDC MPP, munya yesumi, munya mama. And NDC opposition, opposition musunku. And when we come, zero tolerance for corruption, and the slogans in the but this mama tiona slogans no we will fight also obey use so many to fight corruption. Artificial intelligence. Mama pa who is serious. Also use artificial intelligence to fight galamsey. Why about this galamsey no mo ba mo be take over. Na ma chairman mo cronies. That is what is going to happen. And you know, nya twem na ye wo memu no, ni ye face the reality. This generation, I say you YPA ni akọ. Na new generation am starting kind of afresh. Was ya dream why the team memu na end. Ye so journalists dey produce no. And ye so judges dey nya no. Was judge ti ho e ya wadanfo. Na wakọ ne chen say omwa wo na ko ma sika so omye kesi ma wo. Judge ti ho na obi afre no. This is what we are doing to our nation. And I'm sorry to say, asofo ni aye corrupt. Asofo na commission based on sika munya. Nyame obe win ya ko ho asofo commission be che win. One man sika so be obe commission tiawo. This is what we find ourselves in. And then why as yerimu ni aye corrupt. Yerimu ni aboy po, yerimu fo omo boy po. Me man so bomb man so po. Baby corruption here, corruption there, sense na di baby. And the hypocrites, I mean, who people like Bebu Munu, look at Bebu. Bebu are who no be call your book. Now call your book, you know, who found any corrupt. Who know be your book, who found say book near Odia. Now, Bebu than the crusader of corruption. Yeah, Kana or and the president is corrupt. Who Bebu, who call your book? Who call your book? Who know be a joint, when they say, author of a book. Who you know say the panel contribute to anybody you've corrupted the agreement. The hypocrisy, all this Imani Ganafunia, they are all fake people. Sanity, you see, we are all pretending. You are all pretending. What do I say? Until the media, look at the Bakupe. Now, finally, let me deal with the issue of medical. I thought say last time you were hana me diwaye. Say uni obi jai relationship yen we don't say, we don't share, you don't expose marital secret. There is a confidential relationship between married couples. Unshia law, kakra. There's a law called law of confidence. The topic law of thoughts. Law of confidence. Secret. Illegal. Until you will never be where you expect to say, when will be go to relationship, there's confidential relationship. For example, lawyer and clients. Who can follow lawyer? Now catch a lawyer in Yano. So that they don't know yet drew into the lawyer casa yanko can baby so a doctor any patients o medical report e secret yenka osofo any grant osofo the work catch your pastor is so catch ejuma wo ye ejuma secret business secret yenka ukwa be mu a ye wo be official secret yenka ye wo state secret yenka say na ye wo matrimonial secret nya onu kunu aye na maye nya no ye ja ware yenka wo ukuru ntumi ko dia dance against wo waware mu ntino medical dey na ye mati say medical kasa social media and na fela ye say fela nyu aduane 2 years fela de member be fie ho and na fela ye say medical what is happening to you I thought say me bo wabaso but at least say I think say broken heart I think less medical need psychiatric and when they say need counseling you need serious counseling and you need mentally medical a go through broken heart because broken heart never ma kasa kasa on say unya broken heart obi a wo say no obi evi obi nya broken heart osu obi so nya broken heart ne bu fu on kasa obi nya broken heart or violent obi nya broken heart kasa kasa I think medical broken heart ne man kasa and medical o kasa do sa matrimonial secret no ni fella share no kan no so da so ne wakwala what you are saying on social media oba no be nya abeti medical why if you knew say you're not matured ready to marry why did you go to marry me tell me believe shatta wale no shatta there me feel true shatta who say onye matured for marriage shatta who say no marriage am anu ntino o se meji ye ntwempuna na mo twempuna ana akonda da wale no obi akon we shatta dwe no o mechi nso no no shatta o smart o is very intelligent enti medical one ko twempuna first one oni debi akotwem kwasapuna no ujano ya bebe topic bia social media warrior and lasted da mo de mo ware gututu social media mu na mu hu nyansa say no social media marriage survive only now do marriage but to social media fu be go aware amawo and if you don't put your marriage on hold oh worry am worry we dey watch it look at every do celebrities are they've done their marriage ceremony and put it on social media with the hype executive weddings executive marriage you know do enegu ebi gu is silent ebi de yanka o ebi gu a enya yanka na egu ebi musu gu na about public you marry in silent munya san kwase dem na moye wo memu a awade sem bia na da social media medical enye nkwa na waware na yama obroki ato enye nkwa na waware a oba no onyepa do you know what people are going through medical do you know what some men are going through obi ayedin o ehye ho aware mu nsem ikuko mu nsem uno ba aware na nko yi a come baby no so call baby but you are talking too much you are saying things and revealing secrets nyame bi wo ha eye wo ni get them other than 2 years 1 year na ma wo no first na okay aden now if we say obi wa na what is so what na yiri nyanya ni man de wo do you know what other men are going through do you know what men are going through in their marriages or maybe anyone true marriage is like life is full of problems and marriage no is problem every marriage be a problem mu obi wa wo yire edi suban na agin papa di bi obi wa wo yire kwa your comfort de bia na o ma pressure obi yiri epentokwa obi yiri edi ba tupebu obi yiri ye cheat obi yiri de bia oni ni maame mu ni papa na gangegesu obi yiri pewe wo potion na oba na no temo umpe ne star na umpe aware no ware no na wetwa so ko te obi di obi anti de ntia oni di jaye why then you move on so medical stop talking It's not helping you. Because you see the information now, you are bringing out. No, say fella also say is also coming out to tell you what he knows about you, your secret. Now also said I started and obiwa on kakao odibe he started making damaging revelations about you, the things that about your tio on no one neko ba no ne dampa ba koso no ni move into cancer mama for be jedi. That is why you have to be very careful how you treat people who are closer to you. You have to be very careful how you treat people who are closer to you. Oyere is closer to you. Or certain matrimonial informations be damaging and good ones. That is why I only need Jaya. Obi keeping it there, no be a calling way. Matured people, that's how they behave. In medical, you are talking too much. You are being irresponsible father to your daughter. You are going overboard. If you are having mental challenge, go and seek help. Go and seek help quickly. A medical challenge, broken heart to me mouth challenge. Go and seek help and stop talking medical. Stop talking. Your mother is my friend. Your mother is my good friend. Your mother, according to my one day be a program. Medical mother say me rough. Or send him sika. Check me sika medical mother. Say I like you so much. No, I send him for 2 units. The medical. Last week we bought Abaso. I don't know who is advising you. Hey, Shatawale. Yawolenga. No pabu no fear again. Shatawale yawolenga. All of them, no more Facebook, Shatawale, no more Facebook. Bo unbelievable, me unbelievable. Bo kemo medical like ekpalo de fio e wale. Bo experience bo modibo. O to me kumi. O fa ne shata kela medical awie. Ne ekpalo de fio e wale. Fela mesrewo. Eye medical so etwa so a. O police case na wakoye wo. See I no corridor why? Eye out of pain. Na all advice you say for police station so wanye ne yie. Although medical kasaba who say book heart. Love no ho her medical or that's feel or share will shape pa and or share that fella one ya because those days no mut dance boom. You see those things no is making the guy crazy. Please withdraw the police case, seek counseling at this difficult time because of the children and keep trusting God. Medical, please stop what you are doing. Don't talk again, it's okay. And then don't give the media vampires stories to destroy your reputation, destroy your brand, destroy your hard work, destroy your family, destroy your children, and destroy your life. Please, I beg, medical, don't do that. Fella, it's okay. It's painful. Say medical is talking, but don't add up. Don't grant interview. Fella, don't grant interview. Media people don't know. Won't say I'm a partner. Fella say don't talk. For medical who channel a broken heart na yɛ saa no ma nkɔfo will help medical na on heal intentem na me paibɔ ne sɛ mo a mayɛ madwen sɛ abraba yɛ tim no mo di nipa sɛyɛ na ɛbɛyɛ adwuma na media fo na mayɛ madwen sɛ mo di fake stories na mo promote no this year we are going to come after you nyame a ɔbɔ so na asase ehu yɛ mɔbɔ na ni ato donkuma yi ebetu ato obia mfa no koredie preproye entrance na yehu se erenche bibia bejim everything will go. Who your police officer, you will not be police officer for life. You leave the services. Who your judge, you will never be judge for life. You leave the judiciary. Who your lawyer, you will never be lawyer for life. You leave the profession. Everything that we are doing here currently has an expiring date. There is an expiring date on our life and our health, on our worth, and everything that we stand for. So let's keep on doing good. Let's hold on to the truth. Let's run with the truth. Let's use the truth as a shield so that we can fight the foreign dust of the enemy. Nyame mo ho ban. Nyame hwe wo so. Nyame fa wo krensie. Mr. Wiafi Ado. nyame nhyira wo kuma pa na wadwen pa na kɔso a yɛ wafa mu di madagana na dimpa na wonya no na ɔsɔre tia wo no ene be na hye kɔna what you say kokwana woni ne ebu no shame on you menim so ɔkyena be frɛ me but o frɛ me a me cancel that's ene bye bye.